Hello, welcome to Mexitur. My name is Camilo Huertas, and I am the person who will guide you in pursuing your dream vacation. Today we have the opportunity to get to know the country of Mexico with an extraordinary plan visiting Ciudad de Mexico and Cancun. It's an inclusive plan wine accommodation, food, and guide tour of the most emblematic cities of its city. In Mexico City, we will spend 3 days visiting the Palacio de Bellas Artes, a cultural venue where culture exhibitions are held. The next day, we can visit Plaza Garibaldi. This place is full cantinas and bars where you can enjoy the music of mariachis. And 1 hour last day, we will visit the Chapultepec forest, the beautiful 4 hectare botanical garden full of museums, fountains, and works of art. On these tours, do not forget that you must have appropriate clothing for some cool water at night. Afterwards, we will travel to Cancun, a paradisiacal atmosphere surrounded by sea, beach, fauna, culture. They will stay for 4 days in 5 stars. Hotel wide, everyone include. We will start big guiding to know Chichen Itza, a very important culture part of the world. We will get to know the Mayan culture, its custom and ways life of living on our day to we will visit is Isla Mujeres and Isla where we can find the ruins of the temple of the good deeds itself, worship as the good deeds of fertility. On our 4 day, we will visit Lofter Beach. We will enjoy that of relax, white and spa and cocktails included, which will be perfect for the great heat. And finally, while go to the cenotes, which are wells of refreshed natural water. Remember that the food will be typical Mexican foods, such as tacos, burritos, and marquesitas. So I hope you enjoy you start white use. How do you like? Thanks so much.